Hey everybody, Larry Callahan from ProTouring.com with another big day, the ProTouring.com garage slash studio. Today is the day BendPak shows up to install our big boy lift. So it's a tall, two-post, 10,000 pound lift, XPR 10 dash, can't remember, long name, XPR 10AXLS. It's the tall version. It's like 6 inches taller than their standard 10,000 pound two-post lift because I'm a little taller than your average individual. So stay tuned, keep watching. Today goes up.
Uh-oh. It's heavy. Heavy enough for you?
Huh?
Heavy enough for you? It is really close. No messing around. That is tight. Can you see the light? Yep. Yay!
Oh, yeah.
All right, so posts, or at least vertical, about where they're going to be. That one's got a couple bolts in it. Now they're going to bring the bridge that goes across the top in before permanently placing this one. I had to move a light. I had a brain fart, put a light in the wrong place, so I'm going to have to redo that light, move that somewhere else. But it's looking good. You guys doing a great job. It's crazy. hydraulic oil time.
Hydraulic.
Making progress. Almost done.
Yeah, come with that.
And with that installed, the BendPak installation is complete. Fernando and Caesar did an awesome job. Took them about 5 hours or so. They have left. The electrician has come by and hooked power to it, and it's alive. So just kind of a recap. It's the BendPak 10,000 pound asymmetric XPR-10AXLS, which is the slightly taller version of their 10,000 pound 2-post lift. But it is ready to go. We just finished the floors a few days ago, so we're going to give them a few more days of curing before we pull any cars in here and put it on the lift. But that is it. Look at that bad boy. 10,000 pounds. Yes, I'm going to reroute that. But that's what we did kind of in a pinch last night. But that's it. It is installed. We're also going to move that light. But it's close. We put a lot of thought into the garage and where we could put beams and how to make it fit. And Mario and the gang that helped me with the garage here did an awesome job. Made it happen. I mean, look at that. That's kind of close. So yeah, it's tight both ways. So we're gonna move that light. I'm gonna probably put it this side of the beam right there. Put a little more light here on top of the car. That's it. So thanks for watching. There'll be some videos here of it soon being used. Like I say, we need a few days to let the floor dry. And it may be a little bit of a delay, squeaky floor. Maybe a little bit of a delay before we have some videos of stuff being worked on with it, because as of last night, we've run into a little snag. Yep. It's broken. So, keep watching the channel, subscribe, like, that whole thing, you know. And we'll be back here soon with videos. Probably put the Bel Air on it first. Bye.